In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily fix the issue of a missing or deleted shared file in Google Drive, whether you've mistakenly lost access or the file has been removed. Don't worry, I've got some simple solutions that might help you regain access. Let's dive right in. First, if you suspect that a file you had access to has been deleted, the most straightforward method is to contact the file's owner. This is often the person who originally shared the file with you. Reach out to them directly and ask them to check their Google Drive's trash. They can do this by navigating to Google Drive, then clicking on the trash section. Once there, they should locate the missing file, right-click on it, and select Restore. Once they've done this, you should regain access to the file just like before. It's as simple as that, making this the quickest and most effective initial step. Now, moving on to the next option. If you're lucky enough to still glimpse the file in what's called preview mode, you might be in a position to secure it for the long run. Preview mode allows you to view the file but not necessarily edit it. Here's what you need to do. Once you have the file open in preview mode, click on File in the top menu, select Make a Copy, and save this copy to My Drive. By doing this, you ensure that you have a permanent copy stored directly in your own Google Drive. This is incredibly useful as it safeguards you from losing the file again if, for any reason, the original owner decides to delete it later. It's always better to have that peace of mind and control over your important documents. Finally, if the file hasn't appeared yet, you can take your search to the Shared With Me or Recent sections of your Google Drive. Head over to Google Drive in your web browser and you'll find these sections easily accessible. Sometimes files that seem to have vanished might just temporarily appear here. If you see the file pop up, click on it and try to make a copy as we discussed earlier. This could be your chance to secure it before it disappears from view permanently. To wrap things up, these simple actions can relieve a lot of stress when dealing with an inaccessible S8 booking or your Google Drive. Start by contacting the file owner, see if you can make a copy while you still have access, and check those occasionally overlooked sections of Google Drive. With these strategies, you're well equipped to handle file access issues efficiently and without panic. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these solutions helpful.